Is London about to become a China surveillance hub in Europe? Not Beijing, not Shanghai, in London. China wants to build a mega embassy, biggest in the Europe and 10 times larger than the normal embassy. Ask yourself why. Tibetans, Hong Kongers, Uyghurs, Chinese dissidents across Europe are already living under pressure. We have seen what happens. A protester dragged into the Chinese consulate in UK, beaten on camera. London isn't just another city, it's the home to UK Parliament, global financial market, international media, and exiled communities. Turning it into Chinese spy hub, it's put everyone into risks. UK security experts have warned this threaten as national security. On 20 January, UK Housing Secretary Steve Reed will decide. This decision is coming now. One minister, one signature, and consequences for everyone who is living there. If London falls, freedom doesn't stop bleeding there. China will export more surveillance, fear, and control everywhere. We have the power to stop this. Reject the mega embassy by signing this petition to the Steve. Share this with everyone, and especially if you're living in the London and UK, your safety is at risk.